Nah, for real. I pull up no star for real. I hop in the whip and take off, you know I'm on Mars for real.
Driver Squad, what's going on? YouTube, what's going on? Chase Way is back with another video. What I'm about to show y'all now, y'all are about to go into SneakerCon sneaker film. Shoe cam. I'm about to show everybody shoes that come up and that's walking by, so y'all just stay tuned. It's not even gonna be me talking. It's just gonna be people just walking by, walking in their kick, so y'all enjoy the show.
Yeah, I got some ice that make your hockey team lose. I put some pointers in my ear the size of the moon. The hate be taking over, I control the game soon. The hate be taking over, I control the game soon. Raised up in the project, now we eat off silver spoons. I watched a lot of these haters turn slime to some dudes. I seen a lot of these niggas let crime get them fooled. If I don't call the shots up in the squad, they ain't goons.
Jose, you're such a show off.
Hey, taking drugs at night, pain is in the skies, see it in my eyes, sunglasses at night. When we taking drugs at night, pain is in my eyes, sunglasses at night. Yeah, that's just my disguise. When we taking drugs at night, yeah. Oh, you taking drugs at night, stay awake at night. These demons on my life, taking drugs at night. We just tryna fight this fire, so I'm taking drugs at night. I'm taking drugs at night. I go to the sky, those drugs they ease my mind. I get those drugs on time, you know just what I like, you know just how I roll. I'm always on the go, most likely with your hoe. Yeah, you know how that shit go, I get it for the low. I thought I'd let you know, top pill off, I'm gone. Next stop to the moon, no need to phone home. Givenchy my cologne, I do what I want. The money is a need, I need some more green. Not talking about that weed, I'm talking about that cash. I came up on your ass, and now I'm counting stacks. And y'all from the back, and you know she call me dad. When we taking drugs at night, pain is in the skies, see it in my eyes, sunglasses at night. When we taking drugs at night, pain is in my eyes, sunglasses at night. Yeah, that's just my disguise. When we taking drugs at night, yeah. Oh, we taking drugs at night, stay awake at night. These demons on my life, taking drugs at night. We just tryna fight this fire, so I'm taking drugs at night.
I remember them broad days, black mouths and both ways. All these hoes wanna go away. I can shoot like a fade away. I can think about my old times. Niggas wouldn't get the old lines. Sniff a little bit of coke high. Let me say what you gon' do when you hit on this shit. Niggas can't feel the pain till I hit them with the grip. Go ahead, car angle when I'm up on your bitch. I ain't talking too much when I slide in that bitch. Slipping silent deals, feeling good about to see you. Telling good when you be wish you could, wish you can't touch. I ain't never but a hot touch. Two touch like hockeys, two touch like Takis. Bad boy when I'm in out, call me Diddy and Drake.
Pain is in the skies, see it in my eyes, sunglasses at night. When we taking drugs at night, pain is in my eyes, sunglasses at night. Yeah, that's just my disguise. When we taking drugs at night, yeah. Oh, you taking drugs at night, stay awake at night. These demons on my life, taking drugs at night. We just tryna fight this fire, so I'm taking drugs at night.
Oh, yeah, we taking drugs at night. Flex up on your bitch and I got it just right. Always foreign real when I slide now. I see the ghosts all white when I slide down. I like white meat like white bunnies. Bad bitch, you know sun coming. I've been feeling like doing botch. Now I can't do hook botch. I've been doing my old ways. I've been back to my old days. They been talking about turn you too cold and stuff.
Alright, so we got some footage to get. So let's go on and get some B-roll and stuff, and we're gonna get that in. And once we get this B-roll in, I think we're gonna be good. But so far we got all this cooking up so far. So which is dope. What's up? We got all this cooking up. I'm gonna be honest. The most important thing that we got a little grill the most important thing is the food right now. That's what I'm missing right now. So we got the trading pit right here. Got everybody in their gear. This is what you call the free 99. Set up at the trading pit. Don't have to pay for nothing. And you're good. You have any business cards, bro?
Business cards? No, not personally, but there is a table down there. 10th Street Sneaks.
10th Street Sneaks?
10th Street Sneaks that have business cards up on the city.
I appreciate it, bro. Yeah, we definitely gonna be doing some digging later on, but not right now though. We're gonna be doing some digging right now. So we got this little 3-point. You know, they ain't trying to see me on the court. They ain't trying to see me on. Yes. Hey, 2J kick. Let's see if he. Okay. If you don't know. He did say he's gonna be buying a lot, and these are limited. So we will be leaving with one of these for sure. We will be leaving with one of these for sure. The tees are dope. The merch is crazy. How much are the jackets? 90. Okay. So this is what we gonna do. Is we gonna get the black or is we gonna get the baby blue? And I know it's gonna go crazy, so I'm gonna go and get mine now, cause I do not want to miss out. And let me get this right. This American Eagle, it's American Eagle, right?
Yeah, it's a little bit of a duo.
Can I see a small? Can I try on the small?
Color.
I think I'm gonna go with light. So you got everybody else. This is what's all around right here. Excuse me, bro. Got everybody else around. Got the Currys. Got some exclusives. Signed, everything. I did sell my backpack, but now I'm kind of regretting that I sold my backpack. How you doing, bro? 8. 8. Why you gotta have a big foot?
It's not mine.
Oh, okay. I wish you had more 8s. 10, 11. What's up, bro? No 8s? No 8s? No 8s. Bigfoot gang. We're running all our footage out, baby. 8.5. Got this. I think those are the. Yep. Loosening 8. I hate that I got rid of those a little bit. 8.5 in those. Sir? I hate that I got rid of mine. This y'all's too, or this theirs? That's theirs. Y'all have any business cards? Instagram? No? Personal? Okay.
It's all 20 and it's all 30.
You did this custom, didn't you?
Being a USA champion. Little C logo on the side, that fucking promoter cross pants, the sleeve right here, you know, got the fucking shit.
How many hours did it take you?
Sorry?
How many hours?
Man, I mean, just to thrift this took me a while to find a main USA champion. Took me probably an hour, maybe an hour and a half to get this on right. This one was nothing, you know, just a square. And this one I actually had to help my aunt. Me and my aunt worked on that shit for a while. That sleeve right there.
It was thick, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I knew.
Work, yeah.
No, you did the good on this.
Oh, yeah. No, thanks, bro.
You got an Instagram, bro?
Yeah. It's Kiko World on Instagram, 2 O's.
Then you also have Paul Can too. Now, I don't know, I've been watching him for the longest. I've been watching him for the longest. If y'all don't know, he is hilarious. Hilarious. Make sure y'all check him out. He spent a lot of time on this. Finding vintage items and then turn them into clocks. Just think about this. This is what you call somebody that's dedicated every day. See, they took Sabres away from us. See, I think we're doing all right, so I'm gonna make my way back over. Them shorts are fire, so we gotta. Oh, they do the custom. Yeah, I gotta buy me a custom band. So I'm gonna make my way back over there. So I think we're about to open up. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to make my way back over there. It looks like nobody's over there. So I'm gonna keep looking around. Making my round. This is gonna be dope to edit, but a hell of a fucking headache. How y'all doing? Y'all need help looking for some sizes?
I do have Shanghai.
8.5?
Yeah, right. You got Shanghai for my like pound and a half? No. You got 8.5 too?
Yeah, we got the Vapor Maxes in the 8.5. Yeah. Going to the other shoe too?
Good luck, fam.
I appreciate it.
And then we got want to shout yourself out if y'all want to? You can say something to the camera.
Get my man. Get my man.
Y'all got an Instagram? No?
We have a personal one. Yeah, we only have personal.
Okay, well, once you hit me up, I'll put it on there. Shout out to it.
Cool, bro. I'll see what's going on.
Y'all have a good day, bro. So far, we already had 3 comebacks. For the victory, they didn't get no tips. They put the season 6 Ye and XXX. I don't really think this is a bad placement. It's like when people come through, they don't really know. Give yourself a shout out, bro.
Jacob Billy on Instagram.
I appreciate it, man.
Just trying to fight this fire, so I'm taking drugs at night.
Oh, yeah, we taking drugs tonight. Blessed up on your bitch and I got it just right. Always foreign real when I slide now. I see the ghost all white when I slide down. I like white meat like white bunnies. Bad bitch, no sun coming. I've been feeling like doing botch. Now I can't do hook watch it. I've been doing my old ways. I've been back to my old days. They been talking about John, you too cold, that's the old way. Whoa, let me see you jump off on this shit. Say, whoa, let me see you jump off on it.
Say, whoa, let me see you jump off on that shit, yeah. I'm pouring dirty Sprite. I had to kick that bitch out cause that bitch was not my type, yeah. I said I'm pouring dirty Sprite. I had to kick that bitch out cause that bitch was not my type, yeah. Set on. I said I'm taking drugs tonight. I'll wait up just right. That lean that's in my cup, I'm about to pull up. I'm about to go up, yeah, about to, yeah. Taking drugs tonight, yeah. Well, I'm taking drugs tonight, yeah. Said I'm taking drugs tonight.
Nah, for real. I pull up no star for real. I hop in the whip and take off, you know I'm on Mars for real.